The average age of present era and the age which is described in our Samhitas, the Ayurvedic texts, we find a huge difference in this age. Presently, we recognize average age as 70 years, but in our Ayurveda texts like Charak Samhita, it is described as 100 years. And in Sharangdhar Samhita, it is described as 120 years and more. So there is a huge difference in this longevity description of present era and the Ayurveda. So let me bring your attention to some of the Ayurveda concepts through which we can attain longevity. So there are basically 5 main concepts. First is the divine therapy, second is Ayurvedic diet, third is Ayurvedic lifestyle, fourth is Ayurvedic medications, and the fifth one is maintaining the purity of mind. Divine therapy basically works upon removing negative energy by bringing the positive energy to our body through yagya, havan, wearing gemstones, performing fast, autophagy, then going to spiritual places, positive places, etc. The second concept is Ayurvedic diet, and in this Ayurvedic diet there are 2 categories. First is the food which we should take regularly, like milk, clarified butter, green gram pulse, rice, veggies, etc. And the other category is the food which we should not take, such as viruddhahar, the incompatible diet, like milkshakes, eating hot and cold food together, eating warm honey, then eating frozen food of other seasons. The third concept is Ayurvedic lifestyle. By performing some rules and regulation into our daily lifestyle, we can attain longevity, like waking up 1.5 hours before sunrise, massaging your head, ears and feet on a daily basis with sesame oil, adopting celibacy before 25 years and after 50 years of your age. The fourth concept is Ayurvedic medication. By undergoing body purification on a regular basis in rainy season, autumn season and spring season, we can attain longevity. And also by intake of certain rejuvenation medications like anti-aging herbs that are described in Ayurveda, like Mukta, Abhaya, Amrita, Mandukparni, Shweta, Atirasa, Jivanti, Punarnava, and many more which are explained in the Rasayan Chikitsa, we can attain longevity. The fifth concept is maintaining purity of mind. See, in Ayurveda, a prime importance is given to mental health. In fact, in the definition of health, it is explained that one should have a physical parameters normal along with happy state of soul, senses and mind. And simultaneously it is also explained that the body and mind are interrelated. So the state of mind and health of mind has a direct impact over body and eventually on the longevity. We can attain good mental health through performing Achar Rasayana, that is good behavioral conducts like speaking always truth, having no violence behavior, no anger, not drinking alcohol, respecting our elders, teachers, animals, having kindness to everyone, helping the needy one through donation and other gestures, getting rid of the ego. I hope this brief information about Ayurveda concept for longevity is helpful for everyone, and